Transform your outdoor oasis with unique garden wall ideas. In the realm of outdoor design, garden walls serve as a transformative element that can redefine the character and functionality of your outdoor space. By incorporating creative garden walls, you can elevate the aesthetics of your garden while providing practical benefits such as privacy and support for growth. Here, we explore a range of garden wall designs that can inspire you to develop a captivating outdoor sanctuary. Embrace vertical gardening. One of the most innovative trends in landscaping with walls is vertical gardening. This technique allows you to maximize your space by growing plants upward rather than outward, making it perfect for small yards or urban environments. Consider installing a living wall system that incorporates a variety of greenery, from herbs to succulents, creating a stunning focal point that thrives in your outdoor space. Not only does this approach enhance biodiversity, but it also promotes sustainability by providing fresh produce right at your doorstep. Diverse garden wall decor. When it comes to garden wall decor, the possibilities are endless. You can opt for natural materials such as stone or wood for a rustic feel, or choose sleek metal panels for a modern aesthetic. Adding decorative elements like artwork, mirrors, or even fairy lights can further enrich your garden walls, creating a visually appealing backdrop that draws the eye. Think about incorporating trellises or wall-mounted planters that allow flowers and vines to cascade beautifully, softening the hard lines of your design. Outdoor space inspiration. For those seeking outdoor space inspiration, consider the integration of different wall heights and textures to create depth and dimension. A tiered wall design can provide an impressive backdrop for an entertainment area or dining space, while strategically placed walls can help define different zones within your garden. Incorporating built-in seating or a fire pit can transform these walls into functional features that encourage relaxation and social interaction. Landscaping with walls. Landscaping with walls can also enhance the flow of your outdoor environment. Use retaining walls to create terraced gardens, effectively managing slopes while adding visual interest. These walls can be adorned with flowering plants or decorative stones, seamlessly blending functionality with beauty. Moreover, incorporating water features or outdoor art pieces alongside your garden walls can create a cohesive design that enhances the overall ambience of your space. Transforming your outdoor oasis into a stunning retreat is entirely achievable with the right garden wall designs. By exploring creative garden walls, embracing vertical gardening, and utilizing captivating garden wall decor, you can craft an outdoor environment that reflects your personal style while offering functionality and beauty. Let these outdoor design ideas inspire you as you embark on a journey to elevate your outdoor experience, creating a serene space that you and your guests will cherish for years to come.